Hello, our art friends! Today in Kitty Can Draw, we are going to learn how to draw Nemo from Finding Nemo. So grab your art supplies and let's start drawing. We'll start by drawing the large eyes. With the iris and the pupil inside. Then color the pupil. Then draw the smiling mouth with the teeth inside. Draw a letter C to make the front part of the body. Extend the line from each end to the back. Getting closer to each other to complete the body. Extend the two lines further to make the tail. Then finish the tail with two wavy lines close to each other to make the decoration at the tip of the tail. For the top and the biggest fin, draw a line coming out from the top of the head, then a wavy line, meeting the middle of Nemo's body. Make another wavy line close to it for the decoration.
If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Leave a small space, then draw a much smaller fin the same way. Draw another fin at the bottom, similar to the small one on top. Then draw two smaller fins coming out from the bottom of the body under the right eye. One of them is partially hidden behind the other. In the middle of the body, in between the two top fins, draw a triangular shape for the fin at the side. Decorating it similarly. On the other side, draw Nemo's lucky fin. It's a smaller fin coming out from the side of the face at the mouth level, having a little letter V at its tip. Draw two thick lines going around the face, meeting each other at the bottom to make the stripe around the face. Draw another two thick lines at the base of the tail to make another stripe. Then make another 2 lines, partially hidden behind the fin. Let's have a swim! Now you can join Nemo! Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. To make the texture of the fins, grab a darker shade and draw some radiating lines. Make 3 tiny lines in the lucky fin to make the fin's distinctive texture. To achieve a 3D effect, pick a darker shade and go over some parts of the drawing. To show light reflection on any surface while coloring, leave a small line without color or use a white pen or pencil over your colors.
If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.